Take a look at this Jeep here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2000 model year Jeep Wrangler. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually a two-owner vehicle. Came from the West Coast. Title in Washington and Arizona. So no Midwest winners on this one. Actual miles, 137,938. Both tops, hard top, soft top. The tried and true 4-liter inline 6 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Let's take a look at the front bumper. Have a navy blue in color with the charcoal interior. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at these tires. Plenty of tread. Paint on it does show its age a little bit. There's imperfections in the dark blue, but still has a nice shine to it. Good look. Take a look down this passenger side. And you can see really lack of any corrosion and the way you see them in the Midwest. So again, two-owner vehicle. Carfax shows it was titled in Washington and Arizona. Of course, bucket seats, center console. There's a 5-speed shifter. A little aftermarket stereo has been added. A little more modern Kenwood with your Bluetooth capabilities and what have you. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Little receiver hitch on the back. Rear mounted spare. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see the engine bay, the undersides, the interior. You'll be able to see the soft top and the still pictures also. We'll have that off to the side and pictured up. If you like Jeeps, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. A couple notes from the technicians that looked at this vehicle. Brakes are 70% or better at all 4 corners. The coolant has been changed and is fresh and is good for winter driving. 4x4 works as it should. So 4x4 transfer case and everything working properly. They did mention a cracked windshield too. I was going to point that out so you're aware of it. Looks like we had a little dinger down here in the corner. We do have a little crack running through that kind of passenger side of the windshield. Let's peek at this interior. Door panels looking good. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Seating surfaces in nice shape. And again, clean Carfax. Sound bar up top, of course. Let's check the exact miles. 137,938. Like I said, a little more modern stereo system with a little mic there. It is a Kenwood and it is in working condition.
Our skilled, highly trained technicians swiftly repair your vehicle.
Stereo working fine. Again, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Dash looks good. No warning indicators, check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Gauge is working properly. That was a cold start also, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. And again, that tried and true 4-liter inline 6, great power plant. Torquey, reliable, economical engine. Sounds as you'd expect. Let me pause this real quick. We'll get this hood pop, check out that engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Check out those still pictures. You'll be able to see everything on this vehicle. Every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. There you go, the hood pop. And engine bay. Nice clean one. Really lack of corrosion. Again, you can tell this has not spent much time in the Midwest at all. West Coast vehicle. Smooth runner. What you'd expect. Looking for a Jeep Wrangler? Here you go. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2000 Jeep Wrangler. This is a 5-speed manual. We do have a little bit of belt chirping and a little bit of wind noise. There's a crack in the windshield right over here on the right side. As far as our gauges, the battery is charging at 14 volts. Fuel gauge is showing half full. Tachometer working, speedometer working, and the oil pressure is about 50 psi. Temperature about 190, which is right where you usually want to see it. Kenwood stereo in the dash.
House, and it's basically made for him.
Blower motor works on this Jeep. Corners nicely. The wipers also working on this Jeep. Comfortable cloth bucket seats, ready to hit the road or go off-road. Take a look at all the pictures of this Jeep Wrangler at uniqueclassiccars.com.